Hey travelers, welcome back. If you've ever felt that rush of anxiety at airport security or found yourself struggling with an overpacked suitcase, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to avoiding TSA and packing mistakes. We'll uncover TSA secrets they wish you didn't know, share packing hacks that'll change the way you travel, and help you breeze through airport security like a seasoned pro. Let's jump in. First things first, let's demystify the TSA process. Many travelers believe TSA agents have more power than they actually do. Yes, they're responsible for keeping us safe, but did you know there are limits to what they can ask of you? For example, TSA agents cannot force a US citizen to unlock their phone, reveal their laptop password, or even hand over private social media profiles. You also have the right to keep your passport with you at all times. You don't need to toss it in a security bin with your other belongings. It's your property, and you can hold on to it. What happens if you refuse to comply with TSA requests? While agents can't arrest you, they do have the authority to call in law enforcement officers who can. It's always best to remain calm, follow instructions, and avoid unnecessary confrontation. A little cooperation goes a long way. Now, let's talk about a lesser-known TSA training technique called spot screening of passengers by observation techniques. This method involves agents watching for specific behaviors that might indicate stress, anxiety, or deception. Have you ever noticed that moment when an agent seems to stare a bit too long, even if you haven't done anything wrong? It might be because you're showing signs of nervousness, which spot-trained agents are taught to detect. Common behaviors that draw attention: avoiding eye contact, excessive fidgeting, sweating, yes, even if it's just because you're anxious about missing your flight. The best advice? Take a deep breath, stay calm, and move through the process confidently. Remember, the TSA is looking for potential threats, not nervous travelers like you and me. Have you ever looked down at your boarding pass and wondered what those strange scribbles mean? It turns out TSA agents use secret codes to communicate discreetly about passengers. One of the most important codes to be aware of is SSSS, Secondary Security Screening Selection. This code can appear on your boarding pass for a variety of reasons, such as being randomly selected, traveling from a high-risk country, or booking a one-way ticket. If you see SSS, be prepared for an extra thorough screening, which might include an additional body search, a detailed check of your carry-on items, and questions about your travel plans. While this might sound daunting, it's usually routine, and as long as you remain patient, you'll be on your way soon enough. Remember, being flagged doesn't necessarily mean you did anything wrong. Sometimes it's just your lucky day. Fun fact: the secret language of TSA agents. Did you know TSA agents sometimes use quirky codes to describe passengers? For example, they might use a term like Code Atom to indicate an unattended child or other internal phrases for particularly stressed out travelers. While these codes are harmless, it's a reminder that TSA agents are observing more than we think. Now let's tackle the real challenge: packing. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is packing too much or bringing the wrong luggage size. Overpacking not only leads to expensive fees, but also makes navigating the airport more challenging. Packing mistake number 1: choosing the wrong luggage size. Airlines have different rules regarding luggage sizes and weights, so it's essential to research your airline's policies before you travel. Nothing is worse than arriving at check-in and discovering your bag is too heavy or too large, forcing you to pay an unexpected fee. Pro tip: opt for soft-sided luggage instead of hard-shell cases. Soft-sided bags can expand, fit into tight spaces, and are less likely to be damaged during transit. Packing mistake number 2: ignoring TSA's liquid rules. The infamous 311 rule. It's one of the most common reasons passengers are delayed at security. Here's a quick refresher. All liquids, gels, aerosols, creams, and pastes must be in containers of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less. These containers should fit into a single, clear, quart-sized bag. Surprising items considered liquids by TSA: peanut butter, mascara, moisturizers, even certain cheeses. Pro tip: consider using solid versions of your favorite products. Shampoo bars, solid lotion sticks, and bar soap save space and eliminate the hassle of liquid restrictions. Plus, they're eco-friendly and last longer than their liquid counterparts. Section 4. Preparing for the security line. The security line is where nerves start to kick in for many travelers, but preparation is key. Mistake number 3. Not having a plan for your stuff. Know where your essential items are before you even step into the line. Keep your liquids bag and electronics easily accessible, ideally in the front pocket of your carry-on or personal item. This way, you can quickly grab them when it's your turn, speeding up the process and avoiding awkward moments where everyone's waiting on you. Pro tip: practice the security shuffle at home. Lay out your bag, take out your liquids and electronics, and then put them back in. It may sound silly, but it'll save you valuable seconds when it counts. Mistake number 4. Wearing difficult clothing or shoes. Wearing shoes with lots of laces or metal can slow you down. Instead, choose slip-on shoes that are easy to remove and put back on. Also, avoid belts, heavy jewelry, and jackets with lots of zippers or buttons. They'll only add to your stress. And here's a tip that many forget: wear socks. Nobody enjoys walking barefoot on the airport floor, so keep those feet covered. Section 5. Avoiding expensive mistakes. Nothing ruins a trip like unexpected expenses. Here's how to avoid them. Mistake number 5. Not keeping an eye on your belongings. While you're answering TSA questions or navigating the body scanner, it's easy to lose track of your valuables. Unfortunately, theft can happen, even in the security line. Keep an eye on your items as they go through the X-ray machine, and always double-check that you have everything before moving on. If you're traveling with someone, stagger your belongings so that one person can keep an eye on the items already through security while the other finishes up. Pro tip: place your most valuable items like your phone, wallet, and passport in the last bin so they're the last to come out of the X-ray machine. This reduces the chance of them being snatched while you're still being screened. Mistake number 6. Not allowing enough time. You never know how long the security line will be, so always arrive early. As a general rule, plan to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight. You can always grab a coffee or explore the terminal if you have extra time. It's much better than the stress of rushing. Let's get into some packing hacks that'll transform the way you travel. Mistake number 7. Forgetting to utilize every pocket of space. Your suitcase has more room than you think. Use the gaps between the handlebars, the corners of your luggage, and even inside your shoes. For example, roll up your socks and stuff them into your shoes to save space. Mistake number 8. Not planning outfits efficiently. Rather than packing an outfit for each day, create a capsule wardrobe, a selection of tops and bottoms that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This not only saves space, but also prevents overpacking. Pro tip: stick to a color scheme. Neutral colors like black, white, and gray are versatile and can be dressed up or down. Add a pop of color with accessories that take up minimal space. Mistake number 9. Bringing too many pairs of shoes. Shoes take up a lot of space and add unnecessary weight. Limit yourself to 2 pairs of shoes plus the pair you're wearing. Make sure they're versatile and appropriate for different activities. For example, sneakers for walking, sandals for the beach, and a nicer pair for evening outings. Here are a few more mistakes to watch out for. Hard-shell versus soft-sided luggage. As mentioned earlier, soft-sided luggage is more flexible and easier to squeeze into overhead bins. Plus, they often have exterior pockets for quick access to essentials, neck pillows and blankets. Instead of packing a bulky neck pillow, consider wearing a hoodie or cardigan that can double as a pillow or blanket. It's more versatile and can be worn throughout your trip. Let's wrap up with some tips to handle TSA with ease. Be respectful and polite. TSA agents deal with thousands of passengers daily, and their job isn't easy. Treating them with respect will often result in a smoother experience. Know your rights. While TSA agents have the authority to search your belongings, you have the right to ask questions and understand the process. Don't hesitate to speak up if something feels off. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to avoiding TSA and packing mistakes. By following these tips and insights, you're now equipped to navigate airport security with confidence and pack like a pro. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be stressful. With a bit of preparation, it can be an enjoyable part of your journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay updated on all our travel tips and hacks. Share your own travel experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy travels, and may your suitcase always be light and your security checks be swift.